To get Uniswap V3. Start by understanding what Uniswap is. A decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless manner. Uniswap V3 is the latest iteration of this protocol, offering improved features and better liquidity. First, you need to have a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask, to interact with the Uniswap protocol. If you don't have one, download and install a digital wallet. Then create a new account and make sure to save your seed phrase securely. Next, go to the Uniswap website and click on the Launch App button to access the Uniswap interface. Connect your digital wallet to the Uniswap interface by clicking on the Connect Wallet button and selecting your wallet provider. After connecting your wallet, you can start using Uniswap V3 by selecting the V3 version from the drop-down menu. You can then browse the available markets, view trading pairs, and execute trades. To add liquidity to a pool, click on the Pool tab and select the pool you want to add liquidity to. Then follow the prompts to deposit your tokens. To get the most out of Uniswap V3, it is essential to understand key concepts such as liquidity pools, trading pairs, and slippage. Liquidity pools are pools of tokens that are locked in a smart contract to enable trading. Trading pairs are the pairs of tokens that can be traded on the platform. And slippage is the difference between the expected price of a trade and the actual price. Best practices for using Uniswap V3 include setting a slippage tolerance to avoid failed trades, using limit orders to get better prices, and monitoring your trades to avoid losses. It is also crucial to keep your digital wallet and account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can get Uniswap V3 and start trading and providing liquidity on the platform.